My name is Christopher Pulizzi, and I'm a graduate of Aviation Institute of Maintenance. I've always liked to tinker with things anytime something's broken in the shop. I've always liked fixing stuff. Figured I'd take a look around the school, loved the tour, talked to a couple people that were here, heard nothing but good things, so took the leap and loved every moment of it. The training here definitely set up the pace and what I needed to be able to do, and definitely the mindset on how you need to keep your workstation clean, keep track of your tools. It's definitely set me up for success. I actually just started a couple weeks ago with K & Associates as an aircraft worker. Simple maintenance, catch and releasing HS-60s, which are Black Hawk helicopters for the Navy. Ended up getting a link sent by our career services and applying through them. Ended up getting a call back and setting up an interview with them, and then here I am working at Naval Base Norfolk, which, you know, never thought I would get to that point. You can rely on this industry. There's one thing that's always going to continue to go, and that's aviation industry, whether it be shipping with FedEx, Amazon, or travel. People need to get places, especially the military. Military can't stop. It's the security and defense of our country. Man, if I could go back to my 16-year-old self and punch myself in the face and tell me to do this, it's definitely great knowing that I have the job security that I have now. I'm excited to get up in the morning and get to the base and get in there and start working on these aircraft. The potential to grow inside that company, and let alone the aviation industry, is monumental. This was totally worth it.